90% of new businesses fail within the first 5 years. It's a brutal stat that keeps most people stuck in the 9-to-5 grind forever. But what if you could tilt the playing field entirely in your favor? There is a specific class of businesses that boast historically low failure rates. They don't rely on trendy fads. They don't require you to grind 80 hours a week, and they are built to thrive even during a recession. Today, we are breaking down 10 modern, highly automated businesses that practically run themselves once they're set up. We'll look at exactly why they survive, how to automate them, and the real profit potential. And stick around because the last 3 on this list are the exact cash cow, models that millionaires and billionaires use to quietly build generational wealth while the rest of the world is sleeping. Let's dive in last 3 all millionaire and billionaire doings. First up, EV charging stations. The electric vehicle revolution is already here, but infrastructure is lagging. By partnering with commercial lots to install smart fast chargers, you capture a captive market. Automated software handles the billing instantly, netting you up to $5,000 a month in purely passive utility income. Second is smart vending machines. And forget cheap sodas. The modern play is high margin, specialized items like premium, electronics or fitness, supplements placed in high traffic hubs. With IoT telemetry sensors, you track inventory live from your phone and only show up when the app tells you to restock, pulling in up to $3,000 a month per machine. Third, we have self-storage facilities. This is legendary for low overhead because you are just renting out empty space. By using digital keypad gates and automated booking websites, customers select their units and pay online without ever meeting a human, easily netting you up to $6,000 a month for a small facility. Fourth on the list is unmanned laundromats. Clean clothes are a non-negotiable necessity of life. By replacing clunky coin slots with cashless, app-based payments and setting up remote-time door locks with cloud security cameras, you can manage a recession-proof cash flow of up to $10,000 a month from your laptop. Fifth is automated car washes. The secret here is switching from a single-pay model to recurring monthly subscriptions. With automated express tunnels and license plate recognition cameras, customers drive through in 3 minutes and their cards are billed automatically, generating a highly predictable $20,000 to $50,000 a month. Sixth, digital Micro-SaaS. You don't need a massive tech company. You just need a simple software tool or browser extension that solves one specific problem for a niche audience. Once built, distribution costs $0, and recurring user fees can easily scale past $9,000 a month at an 80% profit margin. Seventh is automated content studios. The creator economy is booming. By setting up a permanent studio room with fixed lighting and plug-and-play gear, creators can book hourly slots online. They receive an automated smart lock code. Walk in, hit one master switch, record, and leave, netting you up to $8,000 a month per room. Now for the final 3, the heavy hitters that millionaires and billionaires use to scale wealth with massive efficiency. Eighth is cloud kitchens. Traditional restaurants fail because of front-of-house labor and high street rents. Cloud kitchens operate out of low-rent industrial warehouses optimized solely for food delivery apps. Running multiple virtual brands out of a single kitchen cuts overhead by 70%, pulling in a massive $15,000 to $40,000 a month. Ninth is automated ice vending kiosks. This is one of the best-kept secrets in asset portfolios. These freestanding machines connect directly to local water and power lines, filtering and bagging ice completely on demand. Because your only raw material is a utility bill, profit margins hover at an astronomical 90%, yielding up to $8,000 a month in steady cash. Finally, 10th is when smart parcel locker networks lie. This is the ultimate e-commerce infrastructure play. By installing secure, modular electronic locker bays in large apartment complexes or retail hubs, courier drivers get a single drop-off point, and residents get 24/7 theft-proof security. You collect highly stable, automated monthly hosting fees from property management companies at massive scale. That wraps up today's breakdown. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and keep mastering these strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment below letting me know which tip you're going to implement first, because I read and reply to as many as I can. If you found this valuable, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow.